Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I managed to record my session, but not all of my session because I forgot to actually press the record button, and you'll see me right now, but I did manage to record some of the trade as it progressed forward. So I'm just going to quickly play this video and just show you what I was seeing. So you can see that this was the 20th, which is the Monday, and we took a trade today. So this is when I realized that I wasn't actually recording the video, and you'll see me kind of scramble in the sense that I'm looking, okay, so what have I missed? So you'll see me go into the 5-minute chart. You'll see that we have a 5-minute high broken, we have a fair value gap there. I'm just running through the time frames just so that you can follow me. There's a break of structure, there's one there, and if you go into the 5-minute you can also see that as well. Jumping into the 1-minute chart, you can see as we broke the high, we had this aggressive move, break of structure, and you can see there again, I entered here, we got another break of structure, there's a 1 minute fair value gap, I entered in there, and there was also a fair value gap at the top for the 3-minute, which when it came back and wanted to retest, that is the reason why I got in this trade here, and that's what I'm pointing towards when I come back into the 3-minute. We get a push down, there's a 5-minute fair value gap there, and you can see from here to here, I'm showing that there's a move, break of structure, 5-minute fair value gap, and you can see that those are the candles that you could have potentially entered for the short. So I was short in 3 positions. TP1 was supposed to be there, and you can see that TP2 I got so in this trade I actually took TP1, I took partials there, and then I took partials again there. I wanted the market to come down to TP2, and then I would close my trade down here. And the reason why I like that idea was there's a 15-minute double bottom below there, so I'm thinking there's liquidity there that they're going to come after. Today there was a bank holiday, so I was a bit overzealous in thinking that I would get a move that deep, especially on a bank holiday, but nonetheless I managed to get 2 trades, profited around about, how much was that? I'll just quickly go back because I was talking, so around about 38 pips, I managed to bag today, even though it was a holiday. The setup was there for me, so therefore I was happy to take that trade. This is me just writing a text on the chart just to show you that I actually forgot to hit the record button. So I'm just showing where I entered. And if we move forward into the video, I thought I said that I would do a video tonight to speak about this trade. So you can see the very end of this trade, I've brought my stop loss to break even, and I've taken 2 positions off. I've got 3 up here that I've taken on, and I've got 1 position left which I'm bringing to stop loss, hoping that I would come down to TP2 and possibly touch this 1 hour fair value, 1 hour fair value gap down here as well. So if we jump into the chart, trading view, this is exactly where I left you guys. So I'll just quickly connect the chart so that you can see, and that's weird, why is that not connected? Okay, perfect. Okay, so there is a trading view, and you can see entered here, here and here, and then got out here and here, and then finally I got taken out because of the stop loss that was at break even. Now if we just talk about the trade, obviously on Friday I did take losing trade on Friday, and confidence was a little bit shaken, but I did some testing over the weekend and I felt a little bit more confident today in my trading. So obviously I reanalyzed everything. You can see we had 7 o'clock here, we rallied up, there was an old 15-minute high back here, we pierced it, came down, we broke it, we went back up, tested these fair value gaps, came back up again. Now at this point I was actually, even though I'd entered, I was a bit skeptical about this trade then, because it was retracing quite a bit. My stop loss was up here originally with the high, but obviously I maintained my position and I decided not to get wavered by this move up. And as you can see, market came down, we broke again on the 1 minute, and a 5-minute fair value gap here you can see, and you can also see here we have tested it a few times before ultimately breaking right down. The reason why I had taken 2 positions off here was when I tried to take profits from here, this candle's wick was very fast. It was very quick. It came down and bounced up before you could even blink. It was already back up again. So I quickly closed some partials, but then what I did was as soon as this broke again, this line, I decided to take partials again. So that is the reason why I took partials there again. And I was happy to put my trade into stop loss or into break even, and that is where I got taken back out of the trade. So after 10 o'clock we decided to move back up, and finally we have the market sitting right here, playing around on that 15-minute high. So if we jump into the daily time frame, I just take off the markings just so that you can see everything. So what we have is Friday we've touched this fair value gap. Today we've created this candle, but in creating this candle we have also created a fair value gap. So they might come and try and test that tomorrow before moving up. My bias for GBPJPY is still bullish. I still think they're going to come back and try and take this, unless I get proven wrong and we break this low. And when we break this low, I know that we have actually changed structure and that we're going to continue going down. So that's what I'm currently seeing. If I jump onto the 1 hour chart, you can see we're testing this fair value gap. We've got relative equal highs here. If I'm looking closely, we have a small fair value gap here, and we have relative highs up here. So we might try and take that and get a Tuesday high, or we might drop down first and try and take the lows, because we've got a double bottom here now, so a triple bottom here, here and here. So they might come down and pierce that before they continue going up. But yeah, that was my trade. Quite happy, even though there was, I got stopped out and I didn't get my actual trade, in the sense that I didn't get my full trade to TP2, but nonetheless I'm not going to complain. So if I take it from here and we take it down, so about 35, 33 pips. So yeah, I'm happy, quite comfortable with that. I'm quite happy with that. And if I have a trade tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll try and record again. You can see, just obviously I didn't change anything. I always leave everything so that you can see once I've recorded it. But you can see here I've got this note here. I forgot to hit record, therefore I missed most of my trade in terms of recording it. But as you can see, these are the positions that I entered, and these are the positions that I got taken out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the trade. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will speak to you guys tomorrow.